At the millennium, scientists believed that sequencing the human genome would revolutionize medicine and human life.
With this profound new knowledge, humankind is on the verge of gaining immense new power to heal. Genome science will revolutionize the diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of most, if not all, human diseases.
However, today, in the age of next-generation sequencing, complex genomics and proteomics, the huge advances envisioned have not occurred. Bioscientists routinely unravel complex biochemistry at molecular, genetic, cellular, and even multicellular levels. Yet our understanding of life requires us being able to tie together molecular, genetic, and cellular information in the context of whole living animals. To do this, scientists literally look inside them to see the location of molecules, cells, and genes. This is achieved by a collection of techniques which make up molecular genetic imaging. This allows us to visualize and track specific life or disease processes in cells or from deep inside living, even conscious and moving animals. We can visualize the spatio-temporal interplay of cells or gene expression over the lifetime of a disease. For example, this allows rapid testing and development of agents or therapeutics.